So, Martin, when it comes to hemp oil, particularly the extract of hemp, a lot of people say, oh, well, marijuana is all about getting high. And of course, we've said already that we're not taking hemp oil to get high. We're taking it as a medicinal, for medicinal purposes, or to help us with stuff that's going on in our body. What's the part that gets us high, and what's the part that helps us?
Right. So in this extraction process that we outlined earlier, the organic solvent extraction, we end up with mainly terpenes, which is chemicals that are extracted from the plant. And they get names such as cannabidiol or tetrahydrocannabinoid. The letters that people remember are THC, and that's the tetrahydrocannabinoid, and that's what gets you high. And the CBD, the cannabidiol, which is the one that has the most effect on the immune system, which does not get you high at all. And there are there's a CBDA and C and E, there are subs of it. And there is the active form and the inactive form. And the raw is typically known as the CBDA. And once you cook it or heat it, it becomes CBD. And similarly with the one that gets you high, there's the delta THC, which is the active form. You need to heat it, or else you have to take a large quantity of it, meaning you can drink a large quantity of hemp juice, raw hemp juice extracted from the plant. You could drink quite a bit of it and not get very high. And if you take that same juice and put it into a cake or something else and bake it, heat it, that same amount will get you very, very high. The psychoactive effects, you will get spatial distortion, time distortion. You will have a very different relationship with how you perceive the world around you. You couldn't deal with heavy machinery and stuff like that. Whereas with the CBD, these effects do not happen.
Great. So CBD is the 3 letters that you need to just sort of pound into your head, because that's what we're going to be talking about. CBD levels, CBD, and it's not the psychoactive stuff that you get from the people that that smoke it. And so that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be going through a bunch of different hemp type products so that you get a feel for what they are and what they're about and how to use them properly. And that'll be in our next section. So thanks for joining us. Thank you for being coming this far, and we're really excited to have you along. Make sure that if you have any questions, you just pop them into the discussion on the side, and we'll get back to you right as soon as possible. The course is meant to be a living course, which means like any plant, it's going to grow, and as things change, we plan adding new lectures on an ongoing basis to let you know what's going on in the world of hemp. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them, and maybe it'll become the basis for a new lecture somewhere down the road. So now we're going to head over to hemp health effects in the next section.